In America, back pain and hunched posture hit most of us by 60, but in Japan, elders in their 80s walk tall, move freely, and live without chronic spine pain. The difference? One simple floor movement they do every single morning. It's called the Cobra Pose, and it might be the most powerful anti-aging signal you can send to your spine. Here's why this matters. After 50, your spine doesn't just get stiff, it starts collapsing forward from decades of sitting, driving, and looking down. This forward curve compresses your organs, restricts your breathing, and ages your entire body from the inside out. But the Cobra Pose reverses this. It extends your spine in the opposite direction, decompressing vertebrae, opening your chest, and restoring the natural curve your body was designed to have. Here's how to do it. Lie face down on the floor, legs straight behind you. Place your palms flat beside your chest. Press down through your hands and slowly lift your chest off the ground. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply through your nose. You'll feel a gentle stretch through your entire front body, your chest, belly, and hip flexors. That's your spine waking up. Here's why it works. The Cobra Pose creates space between your vertebrae, which relieves pressure on spinal discs and nerves. It strengthens the muscles along your spine that hold you upright, and it counteracts the forward slouch that most people develop after years of sitting. But there's more. This position also improves lung capacity by opening your chest and rib cage. It stimulates digestion by gently compressing your abdominal organs. And it boosts energy by activating your nervous system. Japanese elders do this every morning because it doesn't just feel good. It keeps their spines young, their posture upright, and their bodies moving freely for decades longer than most. Start with just 15 seconds. Work up to 30. Do it every morning right after you wake up. Your spine will thank you. Quick caution. If you have severe lower back pain, herniated discs, or recent spine surgery, consult your doctor first. Always move gently and listen to your body. Here's my question for you. Can you remember the last time you lay on your stomach and stretched your spine? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. We're revealing the movements Japanese elders use to stay young. Want another movement that keeps you independent? Watch next. Over 50, the Japanese movement that prevents loss of independence. It's the sumo stance, and it rebuilds your legs in 2 minutes. Click now. This is FitFixen. Stay upright, stay free.